Why should brands
Why should brands
Why a brand should
work with Mac?
with Mag.
my Amazon guy?
Why should you hire my Amazon guy?
I believe brands should work with my Amazon guy because we are quite literally OGs in the Amazon game. Something that makes my Amazon guy really special is that we are in no way, shape, or form in the business of gatekeeping, right? And that can be said for our strategies, tips, tricks, and we actually have the goal of being trailblazers in the business, discovering the most recent Amazon developments, testing them out.
We help brands achieve profitable Amazon growth by focusing on the strategies and systems that create real results. Our team understands the Amazon marketplace inside and out, helping brands increase visibility, improve conversions, optimize advertising, and build a stronger foundation for long-term success.
I think the number one reason why I would choose Mag to handle my own brands would be their experience, the diversity of the products that we handle, because it's not just one niche, one type of product, it's many different ones. And so we are able to learn from all of those different niches. We are able to catch anything before it affects our accounts. So yeah, I would 1000% choose Mag every single time, knowing that they are going to be able to get an experience that me as a seller, producer, buyer wouldn't be able to get myself.
We don't just wait for clients to tell us what to do. We're always reviewing their accounts, analyzing data, and looking for ways to improve performance. We act as an extension of our clients' teams, always looking for opportunities to help them stay competitive and continue growing.
As soon as you start working with us and choosing us as your partner, your listings will shine as like they never have. We manage SEO. We actually are the creators of the 4 SEO phases that we follow on Amazon strategy and that a lot of more people follow, with over 2 million views just on that specific strategy. With also that SEO like brilliant optimization, we create amazing copy for you in order to get, like the cheapest and most profitable and eye-catching titles and copy for your products.
So here's why top brands partner with my Amazon guy to dominate the digital shelf. Clients receive a fully integrated team of specialized ad buyers, SEO experts, and designers focused entirely on their brand. Bespoke problem solving. We audit specific pain points, whether it's tanking conversion rates or runaway ad spend, and deploy custom fixes built for that exact business model.
What truly sets my Amazon guy apart is our culture of continuous learning and support. No one is expected to figure everything out alone. There's always coaching, training, and a team that's willing to help.
The biggest value is having a team that's willing to challenge your business. Sometimes the right answer is spending more on PPC, putting wasted ad spend, or improving your listing, launching a new product or not launching yet. And sometimes our job is just to tell you when is the right time.
Our goal is to really help you grow wherever your business has the greatest opportunity or profitability, not just on Amazon. Our expertise goes beyond Amazon. We can help you with your website, Meta, TikTok Shop, and other e-commerce channel.
There are multiple reasons why should brands work with Mag, but we do everything with a data-driven approach. The data points the way so we can adapt strategies as the market changes.
Since day one, we really care and focus about understanding our clients' concerns and challenges, as well as their main goals and needs. So I really think that gives us the opportunity to build tailored action plans for each one of them.
When you hire Mac, you're going to receive a brand manager, but that's only the tip of the iceberg. Like behind that brand manager, there's a whole team, and behind that team, there's a whole company.
We don't just manage accounts, we grow brands. Our focus is really on long-term sustainable growth rather than short-term wins. We're also a full-service Amazon agency, which means brands get access to specialists in PPC, SEO, catalog management, designs, A+ content, compliance, and account health. So all under one roof.
I worked with multiple companies in the past, not just in Amazon, but in other industries too. Something that Mac does different is that they have like hundreds of functional SOPs. You know, when you go to a company, they can have multiple SOPs, but not all the people is using them. Like here, what is great is that everyone is just checking the information in the SOPs.
You're constantly getting flooded with emails, pitching you different services, claiming that they're going to solve all of your problems and grow your sales for you on Amazon. Amazon's complex and it's always changing. And that's exactly why we exist. My Amazon Guy actually started out as an education company, not an agency. We built our name teaching sellers how Amazon actually works, and somewhere along the way, brands started asking us to handle it for them, and so we did. Today, we manage over $1 billion in Amazon sales for over 400 clients, but we haven't lost that teaching mindset. Teaching and education and learning are still at the forefront of our business mission and our core values for our employees. We're constantly leveling up our skills, learning anything and everything that we can, both on and off Amazon, to be able to take your Amazon business and your company to new heights.
It's not just the brand managers that you're going to be working on. We have specific SEO specialists, PPC specialists, and we are working cohesively. Our SEO specialists are working with our PPC specialists to make sure that those keywords are going to be ranking up. We have project managers who will ensure that no projects are going to be delayed. Basically, you want to hire us if you want to have time for yourself, if you want people, if you want experts to make your brand grow.
You heard it from my team. If you are somebody who is selling on Amazon and you want a team of killer people who understand exactly what it's like to be a brand owner and the struggles that you're going to, I would click the link down below. Come talk to some of my team members. We are more than happy to assist you with any problem that you have on Amazon. We are a team of over 400 individuals who understand what it's like to be a seller, the struggles you face as a seller, and who have generated over $1 billion for all of our clients every single year. So come talk to us here at My Amazon Guy.